Okay, we're going to get started on how to set up your college and career readiness course for your Barentine students. Some of these next steps might seem like second nature to you, but I'm going to go through them for those of you that are new to Schoology and or just simply need a refresher. We're going to start out by going to your college and career readiness course. My course looks a little bit different simply because I'm using a dummy account, but this would match what it looked like last year for your students. You're going to open up that college and career readiness course, travel to the grade setup under the grade book on the left-hand side, and here we want to add category. We're going to add the category entitled assignments, and you want to make sure you have that S on the end. This will help transfer all of the information from one course to another and maintain those grading categories for you so you don't have to change 20 assignments once you get this set up. Total points, and then a 0 for the drop the lowest. You're going to hit create, and when you scroll down here, you're going to see that assignments have now popped up. The gradebook scale is numeric, and you're going to check to make sure that final period / final grades is checked, because that's how we're calculating it for this particular course, and hit save. The second step is to now copy the information into your actual Schoology course from another course that we created for you. So we're going to travel back to courses, and this one's called CCR Documents to Copy. You're going to find the folder that matches your grade level. I'm going to open up 8th grade simply because 8th grade has an extra folder that no one else has called Career Plan Submission. From this screen, you want to go to the right-hand side, click on the gearbox, and click the words Copy to Courses. Find the course that you're copying it to. I will say that putting a picture with your course really helps to identify it quickly. Once you've clicked that course, you're going to hit Copy Folder, and it's now been copied. You're going to repeat this step for the whatever folders are remaining. So 5 through 7th, you only have Getting Started and the Artifact Submissions. 8th grade, you have an additional folder that you need to copy for the Career Plan Submission. Just the last one. And then to ensure that you took the right steps, you want to go back to your college and career readiness course, check that your folders are there, and then I always suggest opening up your assignment, at least one assignment, to make sure that everything transferred correctly. So you can do that by clicking the gearbox and going to edit and making sure that it's your category showing up, the points are showing up. The other thing you can do is click on your gradebook over here and make sure that your gradebook's showing up. It won't actually show until you have a category created. So this is implying by being able to see this that your category was set up correctly.